Is iPoll an easy way to earn money from your phone, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael, and many viewers have asked me about an update about this platform because it has gone through quite a lot of changes over the last few years. So in this iPoll review, I will share my personal experiences and opinion about this so you can find out if this is the right earning opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join iPoll. And iPoll, even though when you go to the website, you can see get mobile with your opinion and kind of like encourage you to use it from your phone because it has an app for both iOS and Android devices, but you can actually also use it on its website itself. However, when it comes to who can join, this becomes a little bit confusing because iPoll used to be available in quite a lot of different countries, and I also used to be a member myself, but some changes has happened, so now it's only available in the US. And not only that, then also if you are not already a member, if you like me also used to have an account but it became deactivated because you didn't use it enough, so then you can no longer just go and sign up. You can go to the website and you can see there is a joining button, but when you look in the FAQ section, it says that you actually need an invitation to be able to join, but there's no information about where you can get such an invitation. So that's a little bit confusing. And if you already think that this sounds like too much for you, you're not interested, I will instead leave a link below to a list I have on my website of the different top recommended service sites in different countries. You can go there and check that out. But let's also continue talking a little bit about iPoll and what you actually get out of it if you decide to try to become a member and eventually manage to become a member, both how you can earn and how you can get paid. So iPoll is mainly a survey app, so inside it you can share your opinion about different aspects, but it's not usually the typical surveys. If you manage to get access, you will usually get access to quite unique research projects that are a little bit different than what you can find in most survey apps. But other than that, it works basically like any other survey app. You can find surveys, you earn points, and then you can get paid. It offers a decent amount of paid surveys, but not a huge amount compared to the, for example, top survey apps. I also have a video about that. I will leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out. But let's also talk about the rewards. When can you get paid and how can you get paid? So iPoll currently, as of recording this video, offers 3 different rewards. You can get an Apple gift card or Amazon gift card or PayPal cash. So some fairly good options. I like that it both has some gift cards and some cash options because, no matter your preferences, you can find a good reward. Then just be aware that you need to earn $12 to take out your earnings. So not one of the absolute fastest paying survey sites, but it's still not too high and it's fairly quick to reach. It does take some patience, so do not expect to do it in a day or two or anything like that, but it's not too hard to reach. So overall, iPoll is a legit paid service site and app, and it can be a way to earn a bit extra. And if you manage to get access, it can be a good extra site or app, I would say, because it offers some service often that you can't necessarily find many other places. However, it's a little bit confusing how they suddenly cancel the platform in some countries and how you can find a joining button on the website but not really join without an invitation according to the FAQ section. So there are some usability issues in my personal opinion. So if you can't be bothered struggling to try to find a joining link or invitation link there, then instead I'll leave a link below, as mentioned earlier, also to a list I have on my website of my top recommended service sites in different countries. So then no matter where you live, you can go there, find a long list of the best options where you can just go sign up completely for free and start earning right away. So make sure to check that out if you're looking for a service site or app where you do not have to go through a lot of hassle to start earning. And also, if this video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.